It's Agriculture Factory again. In today's video, we provide you with 6 tips to identify high-quality cinnamon. Hope these tips are useful for you. To identify high-quality cinnamon, we need to consider 6 main factors: cultivation process, thickness, moisture, color, flavor, and certifications licenses. Firstly, to identify high-quality cinnamon, you need to pay attention to the cultivation process. Cinnamon barks must be harvested from healthy trees. In order for them to grow well, we should plant cinnamon trees in forest land at an altitude of 200 to 700 meters above sea level, like our cinnamon growing areas in Văn Yên, Yên Bái, a mountainous region of Vietnam. Cinnamon trees grown in high areas tend to be short and slow to grow, but have thick and oily barks. When grown in low areas, they are often susceptible to pests and disease, having thin barks and less oil content, and shorter life cycles. Secondly, to identify high-quality cinnamon, look at its thickness. The thicker the cinnamon bark, the older the seed of the tree and the higher the essential oil content. In fact, the essential oil content in thick cinnamon bark will be higher than that in thin cinnamon bark. In addition, standard cinnamon should not be too wet. About 30.5% is average. When the moisture percent is over 30.5, cinnamon is easy to mold. It may no longer be safe to use and look unappealing. Below 30.5%, cinnamon is too dry and easy to break. Another tip to choose high-quality cinnamon is to look at its color. When holding a piece of dried cinnamon, you should pay attention to the color of the inner side part. High-quality cinnamon will be slightly dark red in color, not moldy. Moreover, to recognize high-quality cinnamon, try smelling and tasting it. High-quality cinnamon must have a very strong aroma along with a sweet and pungent taste. The whole house will waft in a truly intoxicating scent if you try making a cinnamon recipe. So, if you don't smell the strong aroma of cinnamon, you're likely buying fake cinnamon, which is called forest cinnamon. Fake cinnamon is thicker and has a more reddish-brown color than normal cinnamon. It does not have a strong aroma, but only has a woody smell. The taste is very bland and bitter. Some dishonest cinnamon suppliers often mix this cinnamon with regular cinnamon to reduce the cost. Last but not least, before buying cinnamon from anyone, anywhere, find out if it has a certificate of quality and hygiene. In addition to sensory perception such as seeing, holding, and smelling, we also need to test the cinnamon for safety and hygiene to have the most objective assessment of quality. One of the objective factors to have evaluate the best cinnamon quality standards is the certificates of quality and hygiene from reputable organizations in the industry. Some of the most famous cinnamon quality certificates are FDA, HACCP, Global Gap, ISO 22000, GMP. In conclusion, to recognize high-quality cinnamon, we need to consider 6 main factors. It's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope this video is useful for you.